Welcome to Kitchen Garden Therapy channel. Here I share my experience with growing my food from seed and practicing permaculture principles. I'm an avid cook and herbalist. I love fermenting and canning what I grow. My garden is very small, urban backyard, zone 5B, and I'm growing my food in ground, raised beds, cold frame, and a little greenhouse. Today we will talk about seeds and how to start your garden from seed. I grow my plants from seeds that I have collected a year before, and you can see here last year I have collected dill seeds, lavender, chamomile, calendula, lettuce, and many more. But I also buy my seeds from different places, like my local garden centers and online from small farmers and gardeners, because I like to try different new varieties. But you don't have to buy seeds every single year, because once you buy them, you can collect them from your garden. In order to start your seeds, you need 5 things. Seeds, of course, some sort of a container, soil, water, and light. So let's break it down and start from a container. What containers can you use to start your seeds? Of course, you can purchase seedling trays. These are sold in any hardware stores and garden centers. I have planted some basil seeds a week ago in the seedling tray, and they have successfully sprouted. But you can use any container that can hold soil. I have used many different ones. Like over here you can see I just cut plastic water bottles in half and filled them with soil, and I have pepper plants sprouting here. Also you can use ice cube trays filled with soil. Just make sure they're big enough to hold a few seeds. Also you can use paper cups like I did here. Just make sure you poke some holes in the bottom for drainage, because you don't want your soil to be soggy, just damp, and you want the excess water to be able to drain. Now let's talk about soil. You can of course buy starting seed mix, but it can be pretty expensive. What I find, potting soil is working pretty well too. So just purchase any potting soil from your garden center, and also you can reuse the soil from previous years. Now let's talk about light. If you have a sunny windowsill, you can plant your seeds over there. But if you don't have sunny windowsill or you don't have enough room, then you need to purchase some lights. If you have some clamp lights laying around, all you can do is to purchase some grow bulbs. Or you can get shop lights, like I did here. I installed them on my ceiling on top of my kitchen cabinets, and I grow tomatoes there. Also, you can use any shelves you have around the house. Here I'm using elevated raised bed that later will go into my garden, but right now I'm using it as some sort of a container that holds a lot of different small solo cups that I have my pepper plants growing in. Sometimes gardening is viewed as hard and stressful, so my purpose on this channel is to show how therapeutical and rewarding it can be, and how great it is to be at one with nature. I find it to be specifically important in urban areas where people are so alienated from nature. No matter where you live and how much space you have, you can start small and grow together with your garden. Eat what you grow and grow what you eat. I hope you find my ideas and my experience useful in your gardening journey. Happy gardening!